it's Helen here. Today I have something very special for you. We will be taking a culinary journey across Asia to discover 4 different ways of cooking braised pork belly. Are you excited? Let's get started. Our first stop is Taiwan, known for its rich culinary traditions. And let's dive into the tantalizing flavors of Taiwanese braised pork belly. Cut pork belly into the size of your little fingers and then season with a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of cooking wine. Mix well and set aside for about 30 minutes. Next, hard boil about 4 eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes depending on the size. Now heat some oil in a pan and add a tablespoon of rock sugar. Cook until the sugar melts and then add some minced shallots and saute until fragrant. Then add the marinated pork belly. Saute until it's slightly browned. Now add the shiitake mushrooms and a teaspoon of dark soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine and the peeled hard-boiled eggs. Stir well for about 3 minutes to infuse the flavors into the meat. Also add star anise and a few slices of ginger and then simmer on low for about 30 minutes until the sauce thickens. Serve this delicious Taiwanese pork belly with some hot steamed rice and blanched vegetables. What a satisfying meal! Next, we are heading to the Philippines to explore the iconic Filipino pork adobo. This dish is packed with flavors and is incredibly simple to make. Here is how it's done. Cut pork belly into the size of your thumb and season with salt and pepper. Next, heat some oil in a pan and saute the onion and garlic for a minute. Then add the seasoned pork belly and cook until it's no longer pink. Then add cooking wine, oyster sauce, soy sauce, whole or cracked peppercorns, some vinegar, and serve well for about 5 minutes. Then add a can of Sprite, a few bay leaves, and cover the pot. Let it simmer on low heat for about 45 minutes. For exact measurements of the ingredients, please check in the info box below. I will serve this flavorful pork adobo with steaming hot rice on a plate lined with banana leaves to recall the traditional dish. Our next stop is Japan, renowned for its delicious and refined cuisine. We will be preparing a Japanese-style braised pork belly, also known as uta no kakuni. Let's get started. First, we will prepare the dashi stock by simmering ginger, leek, dried shiitake mushrooms, and 500 ml of water over medium heat for about 30 minutes. Then strain the liquid, discarding the solids. Next, heat some oil in a pan and sear the pork belly on all sides until it's golden brown. Transfer the pork belly to a pot, add rock sugar, mirroring dark soy sauce, and pour in the dashi stock and cover the pot. Simmer the pork belly on low heat for about 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on the thickness of the meat, until the liquid reduces. Once the pork belly is tender and the liquid has reduced, your Japanese-style braised pork belly is ready to be served. Our final destination is Korea, known for its bold and spicy flavors. We will be going to prepare a mouth-watering Korean-style braised pork belly. Let's see how it's done. I will cut the pork belly into the size of my thumb. Then season with a tablespoon of cooking wine and half a teaspoon of salt. Next, prepare the sauce mixture by combining hot pepper paste, sugar, hot pepper flakes, soy sauce. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Peel and cut the daikon radish into rounds about half an inch thick. And then heat some oil in a pan and saute the minced garlic until fragrant. Then add the marinated pork belly and serve well for about 5 minutes. Then pour in the sauce mixture, stir everything together and add the daikon radish. Now add 500 ml of water to the pan and simmer over medium heat for about 20 minutes until the sauce thickens and the color turns into beautifully red. You can serve this delectable Korean-style braised pork belly with steamed rice for a truly satisfying meal. And there you have it, 4 different ways to cook braised pork belly, each showcasing the unique flavors and techniques of Asian cuisine. Whether you try the Taiwanese, Filipino, Japanese or Korean style, I'm sure you will be blown away by the deliciousness of these dishes. Don't forget to subscribe to Helen Recipe channels for more amazing recipes. I will see you then next time. Bye!